guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit is a short loose wave bob style type of unit. This is what the unit is looking like online, and then this is what she's looking like in person. This unit does come in both 8 inches and 10 inches, and if I'm thinking correctly, I received that 8-inch unit. It also comes in 2 different colors of this obvious natural black color, but it also comes in a brown highlighted color as well. As you can see, this unit does come pre-styled with some curls in her. Now at first I was going to say that I probably will just comb the unit out and not like re-curl her, but let's be real, at this point I just have to go in and recurl the unit, so I'll probably be going in and recurling this unit. But she does come pre-styled with the curls already. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back as well, and you do have the option to have a security band in the unit, but personally I probably won't be using mine. When it comes to the lace on this unit, she does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. You also don't get a whole lot of lace space to work with on this unit. I want to say it's about 1.5 inches wide and maybe like 4 to 6 inches in length in the parting space. And I also want to let you guys know that the part on this unit is on the left side of the head. So if you are a left-sided part type of girl, this unit right here, yeah. Go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit, and we're going to start with my cons first. The first one is going to be, I do not feel like she's completely big head friendly. When I was first looking at the cap construction for this unit, I was just thinking to myself, the cap does not look like it's going to be big head friendly. If anything, I thought she was going to be like extra tight on my head, but to my surprise, she's not. She's currently sitting on my head very comfortably, but I do feel like I would need a little bit more room, a little bit more stretch in order to fully consider this unit big head friendly. My next con about this unit is that I am getting a little bit of shedding. Now keep in mind, this is the type of comb that I used when I combed out the curls for this unit. So clearly it's not a fine tooth comb, but it's also not a wide tooth comb either. I would say it's like something like right in the middle. But with me using this comb, I did notice some like chunks of hair coming out of the unit. Now obviously I didn't notice so much to where like I have a bald spot or something like that within the unit, but I did feel like it was something worth mentioning. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit. Surprisingly, I really like the styling of this unit. When I first pulled it out of the box, I was a little bit afraid, thinking that it was going to like overly age me a bit, but once I like once I combed out the curls and fluffed out the curls and did a little tuck with the bang and stuff like that, I don't know, I feel like it's giving, you know, youthful, playful, it's cutesy. I've said this with another unit from LuvMe Hair. In my opinion, it all depends on how you style the unit and also what you wear with the unit to determine whether it's going to age you or not. And I feel like, again, with the styling or with the way that I ended up styling this unit, I feel like it gives very age appropriate for me. Another pro about this unit is how quick, easy, and convenient it is. When it says a 1-second install, they are not playing. Okay, let's be real, it's going to take more than 1 second to install the unit, but it also did not take me very long either. Again, because this unit did come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, all I needed to do was throw the unit on, and then I took like the remainder of what was on my foundation brush and ran that across the top of the lace, and then boom, I was good to go. I mean, as you guys saw earlier, before I even put on makeup, the lace was blending in really nice, so that also showed that it was really quick and easy to install. But with that being said, that's also my next pro about this unit, which I feel like I say that with almost every single LuvMe Hair unit, is their lace. The lace that they've been using as of recently has just been so good. It's so thin, it's so transparent, it blends in so nicely. To top it off, I did not melt this lace at all. This is like a completely glueless unit at the moment, and so I love that for me. Now I will let y'all know, I don't plan on going anywhere today, but if I was to go somewhere, I want to make sure that The hair still looks good at the top, sorry. If I was going somewhere today, then yes, I would go in with some spray and tack her down because I wouldn't want her to move or shift on me while I was like out and about in the elements. But if you are somebody who doesn't want to use the glue, the spray, or anything like that, you can for sure wear this completely glueless, completely product free, if you will. I feel like this style would be really cute with like a floral dress, like a long floral dress, or even a short floral dress, I don't know, for like a picnic or either maybe like a spring or summer date. Like, I just feel like it's so freaking cutesy. If you're liking this unit as much as I'm liking this unit and you feel like you want to pick her up, feel free to use my discount code TANWilliams. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They'll be both linked down in the description box below. I'll also make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below as well, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.